Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about curry leaves rice. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon Toor Dal, 1 tablespoon Urad Dal, 2 tablespoon Chana Dal, and roast till it turns slightly brown. And then add 2 teaspoon black peppercorns, 5 to 6 dried red chillies, and 1 teaspoon Asafoetida, and 4 tablespoons of curry leaves. Cook till the leaves become dry and let it cool. After that, grind this into a fine powder. Now take 3 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon Chana Dal, half teaspoon groundnut, half teaspoon cashew nuts, 2 to 3 dried red chillies, and cook till it turns brown. Add few curry leaves and add the ground masala as per your needs. We added around 3 tablespoons here. Add salt to taste. Finally, add steamed rice and mix well. Serve it with potato masala fry and enjoy. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.